I adjusted a pregnant mom today, and she was mentioning that her baby's always really active while she's getting adjusted and after the adjustment. It feels like they move a lot. And this is perfectly normal because we are actually creating more spaciousness for them, right? By creating more balance and more symmetry and unwinding tension and stress. So they're going to kind of settle into that space that we've created. And also, we're working with the nervous system, and they're responding to that, because if you are two nervous systems in one, when you have a little human growing inside of you, when we work on balancing your nervous system, baby is attuned to that because their environment is your body, right? They live inside of you. So perfectly normal for them to be responsive to the work that we're doing.